Hi everyone, I'm Eric from Developer Relations at Nervos, and today we're going to be looking at Force Bridge as this is part of our Force Bridge UI UX design contest. Now, if you're watching this right when it comes out, we have 1 week to vote on your top 5 choices for the new Force Bridge design. What we're looking at right now is the current Force Bridge design, and we decided, hey, let's spice this up a little bit, let's involve the community in doing that. Now, we at Nervos had our top 5 picks of all the different submissions, and we're going to show you the top 5, and you're going to be able to vote to say which is your favorite. That's going to give us project number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order, and number 1 is going to win a prize, number 2 is going to win a prize, and there's going to be 3 number 3 prizes. Then one of these lucky winners is going to be on the Force Bridge website. We're going to take this design and make sure it ends up online. So again, what you're looking at right now is the current Force Bridge website. And if you're not familiar with Force Bridge, what it allows is you to send tokens back and forth from various networks over to Nervos. And in the example that we're looking at right now, this is the Ethereum network, and you can send ETH or various ERC20 tokens right over to use in Nervos. Of course, you can go ahead and send those tokens back later as well. So this is really great for interoperability between various blockchain networks. Now let's go ahead and look at our first submission. Here we have our first submission. Now, each of our 5 chosen projects have been championed by one person at Nervos. And this is Ahrom's champion pick here. Ahrom is our chief designer at Nervos, and he went through all the different designs, and he said, hey, this is the one I like the most. And so this is one of our top 5 picks to show you. Each design that was submitted to us has a certain amount of interactivity built in. So again, this is not the final implementation, but rather just a design mock-up to show you some of the different features that may be possible using this design. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the second submission. This is our second top pick. Now, this one has been championed by Daniel, our senior software engineer in developer relations, and he's an expert of our L2 layer, Godwoken, which has recently come out into mainnet beta on Nervos. Now, this is an EVM compatible layer 2 running on an optimistic rollup called, again, Godwoken. I also really like this design. It's a nice dark design, which is a difference from the design before, which was a nice white light design. Looking at our third top pick, and this is championed by Jordan of Developer Relations, also a senior software engineer and an expert in our L1 solution, that's Nervos Layer 1, which is written mostly in Rust. This is the underpinning of the Nervos network altogether. So again, another nice dark design here, and I'm going to go ahead and just keep playing around with it a little bit to give you a little view of how it works and how each part looks. This is our top pick, number 4, and this is championed by our technical community manager in developer relations, Kylee. Now, I also like this one, and I think this would have been my pick. And I do really like this one just because of the sliding sidebar, especially, which you will see in a moment. But again, I'm just going to continue to play with some of these buttons to see what the whole design looks like. This is our fifth and final pick. Now this project is championed by Chris, and he's our new DeFi product manager at Nervos. And while he's not on the developer relations team, I decided to give him my slot to pick out his favorite project here, because he's going to be working with projects like Force Bridge coming up, and I thought it would be nice to have him along for this contest. So in this case, I'm just going to flick through the Figma screens here so you can have a look at each one. And now it's your turn to vote. Choose which of these designs you like best from each of our champions here at Nervos. Voting opens November 12th, 2021, and it's going to end November 19th, 2021. So that's Friday to Friday this week if you're catching this video right away. Now the poll's going to be here available on YouTube, so go ahead and look for the link for that below in this video and vote for your top favorite pick for the new Nervos Force Bridge design.